Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video. I decided to do a Sunday reset video today because it is always so needed, and I felt like if I was to film it for you guys, then I would actually get through it. So let's get started. The first thing that I like to do is make up my bed. As you can see, my little one don't really want to move. I don't know like why she didn't want to move, but she was like, "You gonna make this bed up around me," as you can see. But she's so cute. Look at those eyes. She's so cute. Then I like to turn on the lights in my bedroom because I just like to see them every time I walk in my bedroom. And I always open all of my blinds in the house. I just love natural sunlight. As you can see, my filming area is such a mess. It's always a mess. So I'm just here cleaning this up and getting it all organized. But it's not this bad all the time, just when I film and do like hair tutorials. So then I decided I was gonna clean this mirror, and then I broke one of the lights, and so then I had to clean up that light. I hated that, but taking those light bulbs out really helped me get a nicer clean, so I guess it's a win. And then I screwed them back in, and we are done with the bedroom. So I decided to go ahead and start laundry because laundry needs to be started at the beginning, and then you can kind of do things within your house and then come back to the laundry. I like to work my way down, so I start off in my closet, bedroom, all that kind of stuff, do laundry, and then I head downstairs where I like to go ahead and open up all of my blinds. Like I said, I really like that natural sunlight. And then we head to the kitchen because I need some coffee. Love having me a glass of iced coffee every morning. I do like to switch it up with matcha, but for some reason, Instacart always forgets my oat milk or it's out of stock. So I haven't had matcha in a while, but I will be bringing matcha back. Okay. But I know y'all see those dishes back there. So that is the first thing we have to tackle downstairs. Listen, I can't always promise that I'm gonna wash dishes as I cook, okay? It's an ongoing thing. Just, take me as I am. So I had to wake up and go ahead and stock the dishwasher. Now, of course, some things can't go in a dishwasher, like this pot that has so much still caked inside of it. So I like to go in with the pink stuff. It gets it right out. And all I do is a light scrub. It's nothing too abrasive, and it gets it so clean. And I am such a scrub daddy kind of girl, so I have so many scrub daddies. I use a different one for the pink stuff versus when I'm just washing my dishes. So now we are going to just wash the dishes, and I love to use my Dawn spray. It is so good. It really breaks down oils really quickly, so that's why I like to use it. I normally clean my countertops off with a little bit of that Dawn soap, but I did see someone using glass cleaner, well, this spray foam glass cleaner, and I do like it better with like a microfiber cloth. And then I decided to go ahead and order groceries, which I always do on Instacart. I rarely go into the grocery store. But this also allows me to just continue doing my Sunday reset so that I don't have to leave the house, because I really don't have time for all that. So as you can see, we're going through the papers for the week and all that, because I am the type to have a stack of mail just built up, which I still have that stack. But I told myself if I just make sure I go through it every week on my Sunday reset days, we'll be fine. And I'm not gonna lie, I rarely clean this marker board off and reset it every week. I need to do it because it's sitting on my desk and it will help me remember things, but I suck at doing it. Mainly because I do have everything on Good Notes and I rarely look at this, but it's good to have for certain things and special occasions. So we're going to use it for special occasions from now on. Now I'm just gonna fluff the white couch. I rarely fluff this, y'all, just because I lay on it and I sit on it every single day, but I do love it. So sometimes I do like to flip it. If it is a little like dingy, I'm like, we're just gonna flip it and give it another week before I have to throw them in the washer. But I love this couch. Just an update, I'm obsessed. I do like to put things at the bottom of my stairs as I'm cleaning downstairs that need to be taken upstairs. Love doing this because it just saves me so much time of going up and down these steps, y'all. It can become a hassle. Then I'm going back to laundry. As I said, you can kind of come back to it as you're cleaning, and it helps. It feels like you're doing so much in such a small amount of time. As laundry is being done, there is laundry still in my closet, so I'm like, let's just make sure we're cleaning up this little bit of mess here so that once the laundry gets done, then I can complete that and not have to worry about things that are already in my closet. So I'm just kind of straightening up my closet, getting little things that I would normally throw on within the week and just making sure I put them away. I did have shoes at the bottom of my closet. I think I was trying on some outfits and just kind of left them there, so I'm putting those away. I really hate those black inserts. The ones I'm using right now, I hate them. I'm not gonna say I like hate, but like I would rather use the pool noodles because it's so much quicker. You just put it in there and that's it. Like, it doesn't take much and they stand up perfectly. So use the pool noodles. I just grab the last little bit of laundry and take it to the laundry room. Now it's like, I think 3 o'clock, and my homegirl hit me up and was like, let's do some Sunday brunch or something. So now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. I found this half a wig. Y'all, it was in the basement. It was so dusty, but I was determined to make it happen because I had braids in the front and I was like, I could just throw this in the back. Y'all, I did just that. I put a wig cap on the back of my hair because it was just doing whatever. I think it was braided, but like I had a little piece out, as y'all can see, and then I just threw on the half a wig without the headband. It's actually a headband wig, actually, not a half wig, but I took the headband off and then kind of put my hair in a ponytail and then put a clip. It worked out so good. I loved it. Threw on some sunscreen and we basically headed to the Beltline today. So if you don't know about Selection, I love it. If you want a good playlist for your Sunday clean day refresh, please check it out, y'all. It is so good. And so I met up with Lauren. As you can see, we are at the Beltline, and then we went to Bar Taco, which is one of my favorites, and I got the corn, street corn, and I also got the pork belly rice bowl. Honey, I'm drooling right now thinking about it. And we was just having ourselves a good time. Look at my twin. And then I got home, and guess who greeted me at the door? My little baby. Look at Sky Baby. She's always so excited. If she doesn't meet me at the door, she basically went through my trash. Yeah. So then we head back to the laundry. You see how this works? We getting laundry done by also like doing other things within the day. It's perfect. And I'm not gonna lie, by this time I am tired, But I timed my groceries perfectly, so I'm just bringing in my groceries because I wanted to go ahead and kind of get everything put up so that we can have it set for the week, of course, because when the week starts, we start moving, working out, all that good stuff. And going to the grocery store while you're also trying to work and do all this other stuff is a little bit draining throughout the week. So if you do your grocery shopping on Sundays, it works out so much smoother throughout the week. And I also like to fill my coffee up and rinse off all of my fruits and vegetables and all that good stuff so that I also don't have to do that throughout the week. I just grab and go, which I'm telling y'all, it is life-changing when you really organize your refrigerator and have things already done. Especially even chopping your vegetables on Sundays is like a top tier thing, I'm telling you. By this time, I really didn't even want to, I just wanted to lay down. I didn't want to shower. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to lay down. But unfortunately, that's not how life works. So I go ahead and head to the shower. And y'all, these shower balms are so good. It just gives you like this beautiful scent while you're showering, and I love it. So if you guys haven't tried a bath bomb, try them out. But this is pretty much the end of the video. I just do my skincare, brush my teeth, all that good stuff, and I do head to bed. Getting a good night rest is the number one thing. Even if you do not reset your Sunday, get some good night rest on Sunday so that you are rejuvenated for the week and you are not drowsy or tired or anything. So I hope you guys really enjoy this Sunday reset. If you did, please let me know, and I will try my best to do these probably like once a month or so, because I know y'all don't want to watch the same thing over and over and over every Sunday. That's crazy. But I would love to do this for you guys if you guys would like it. So let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.